Another very good morning to all of my viewers. Today we are going to discuss about the Pioneer Financial Group of India and conglomerate, the great Bajaj Finance and Finserv. They have other business too, but we are mainly looking towards their financial businesses. Jamunalal Bajaj was the founder of this group, and presently they have the Bajaj Finance trading at 1945, whereas 52 weeks high was 4923 and low is 1915. Means if we take the ceiling of the price, we are getting at 60% discount, and Bajaj Holding and Investment current market price is 1860 and 52 weeks high is 3950 and low is 1460. So if we take the ceiling of the price, we are getting at 53% discount. And finally Bajaj Finserv, current market price is 4465, 52 weeks low is 4160 and high is 9950. So if we take the ceiling price, highest price, 52 weeks high price, we are getting at 55% discount. It's like a grand sale of such a blue chip company. And mentionably, let me tell you, the Bajaj Finance face value having rupees 2, Bajaj Holding and Investment face value having rupees 10, and Finserv is rupees 5. So accordingly you will have to calculate. And they have the other businesses: Bajaj Consumer, Bajaj Electricals, Bajaj Steel, Bajaj Auto and Bajaj Hindustan Sugar. So now we will understand the structure of their business. The topmost father of this financial conglomerate is Bajaj Finance and Holding Company, and Bajaj Finserv is one part of that only, and Bajaj Finance is one of the subsidiary of Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv having other subsidiaries too: Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, Bajaj Asset Management and Bajaj Allianz Finance Distributions. Other than banking system, they have all kind of non-banking financial services they are providing for, and they are engaged in lending, asset management and insurance and all the verticals of the loans, like loans against insurance, mutual fund, gold, property and fixed deposit and securities. For their business prospect for 1 and 2 quarter, we may see some pressure in loan growth book, but we still believe they will have a robust growth in collection of insurance, new policies as well as premium. And finally, I am telling you the most popular part of Bajaj Finserv. They provide home loan, vehicle loan and loan for the consumer's discretionary with EMI facilities that we all know. If we want to go buy a fridge, TV or electronic devices, we can use the Bajaj Finserv cards. they provide health, education and travel loan too. So as of now NBFCs are available at a huge discounted price. So it will be the very much advisable keep on collecting to make a very good return out of that within a 1.5 year. Thank you very much once again. Hope you all are watching, liking and sharing my videos. If you get new feeds out of that, please subscribe my channel. I would like to keep you updated as much as I can, and thank you very much once again. Goodbye.